Please. Pinpoint the person. Both captains. Move. If they are
I'm to check man when a foreign body now among you people.
Okay. You are free. You are comfortable with the players. What do you have to say? Comfortable with the players. Please. Who entered the field are only first 11. I'm talking to you now. You guys gonna field there now. First 11. Please. We didn't know substitution over there. You are free.
Mbramano versus Ezihe. The match is about to start now. You can see them. They are coming in. This is the players. They are coming in. Mbramano versus Ezihe. You can see. So, you can see their lineup. Mbramano home. Ezihe away. You can see them. The young stars of Ezihe. You can see the young stars of Ezihe. They are fully ready. You can see them. The Lions of Ezihe. Okay. You can see that they are exchanging pleasantry. Ezihe is away. They are greeting their home team before the match will kick off. So, you can see them. You can see them. They are going. They are going. They are going. This is Mbramano. They are good to go. Match is about to start. This is them.